The electric tricycle for adults with 20x4 fat tires is a remarkable blend of practicality and innovative design, tailored for those seeking a reliable and enjoyable mode of transportation. With a peak power output of 1700 W, this tricycle stands out in the crowded market of electric vehicles, offering a robust solution for commuting, errands, or leisurely rides. One of the most significant advantages of this electric trike is its powerful 750W motor, which is capable of reaching peak power levels up to 1700 W. This high-performance motor provides unparalleled acceleration and climbing ability, effortlessly navigating steep inclines and uneven terrains. Whether you are commuting in a hilly area or simply exploring a park, this trike ensures you won't struggle in challenging conditions. The motor operates smoothly, with minimal noise, giving riders a serene experience. The 48V 20Ah lithium-ion battery is another highlight of this electric tricycle. With a substantial capacity, it offers an impressive range of up to 30 to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and the rider's weight. This means you can confidently plan longer trips without the fear of running out of power. Additionally, the battery can be easily removed for charging, allowing you to charge it at home or in the office. The inclusion of a smart battery management system ensures safety and longevity, preventing overcharging and overheating. Comfort plays a crucial role in the design of this electric tricycle. The 20x4 fat tires provide excellent stability and traction, allowing riders to feel secure even on slippery or rough surfaces. The wide tires also help absorb shocks from bumps and potholes, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. The adjustable seat is ergonomically designed, accommodating various body types and preferences. Additionally, the tricycle features a rear seat, which is perfect for a companion or for carrying extra cargo, adding to its practical appeal. Control and handling are also superb, thanks to the tricycle's well-engineered design. The low center of gravity afforded by the trike's three-wheel configuration enhances stability, making it an excellent option for those who may feel uneasy on a traditional bicycle. The front-wheel drive system provides responsive steering, while the rear wheels ensure superb balance. This combination allows for confident maneuverability, even in tight spaces. For those concerned about safety, this electric tricycle comes equipped with essential features. The integrated LED lights enhance visibility, making it safer to ride at night or in low-light conditions. Additionally, the trike features a comprehensive braking system, including front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, ensuring effective stopping power in various weather conditions. The inclusion of reflectors further enhances visibility for added safety. One unique feature that sets this electric tricycle apart is the inclusion of a digital LCD display. This user-friendly interface provides real-time feedback on speed, battery level, trip distance, and more, allowing riders to keep track of their performance. This feature is particularly useful for those who are monitoring their fitness or planning their trips based on battery life. On the downside, potential buyers should be aware that the assembly of this tricycle may require some mechanical skills. While the trike comes mostly pre-assembled, certain parts, such as the front wheel and handlebars, may need to be attached. The instructions could be clearer, and some users may find it challenging to put together without assistance. However, this is a minor inconvenience considering the overall benefits of the product. In terms of pricing, the electric tricycle for adults offers excellent value for money. Given its features, performance, and build quality, it competes favorably with other models in the market, making it an attractive option for those looking to invest in an electric trike. In conclusion, the electric tricycle for adults with 20x4 fat tires is an outstanding choice for anyone looking for a versatile, powerful, and comfortable mode of transportation. Its robust motor, long-lasting battery, and comfortable design make it suitable for various riding conditions. With safety features, ease of handling, and the added convenience of a user-friendly